Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up private DNS on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to set up private DNS on your Samsung phone, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on Try It Now. Now on this page, just copy the DNS provider hostname which is given right here. And select Copy. After you copy the DNS provider hostname, then go to your home screen and open Settings. From here, just go to Connections, then tap on More Connection Settings. And from here, you will find the option of Private DNS. Just tap on it. Now, instead of Off or Automatic, just select Private DNS Provider Hostname. And in this section, just paste the DNS provider hostname which we have copied earlier. Then tap on Save. Now, as you can see, this is how you can set up private DNS on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.